I'm Autumn. I'm a personal trainer here at the Rec Center, and welcome to another Trainer Tip Tuesday. So today we're going to be going over how to perform the lat pull down. Specifically, we're going to be talking about the front lat pull down. There are so many other grips that you can do for this exercise, but this exercise specifically is going to focus on the lat muscles, which are the two major back muscles in your upper back. With other grips, you'll be recruiting other muscles such as your biceps or your rear delts. To perform this exercise, first we're going to work with our equipment and how to get it set up. You're going to want to make sure that you adjust the seat to your size. So in order to do that, you're going to pull the lever out and then drop the seat to where it's sitting right on top of your quadriceps. Next, you're going to grab the weight and change it to what's right for you. To perform the lat pull down, you're going to want to grab the bar, wide grip. Once you grab the bar, you're going to sit back on the machine and then slowly pull it towards you and try to resist against gravity and do it at a slow tempo. Once you bring it down, you want to tap the chest, keeping your back in the same place the entire time, and then raising it all the way back up and getting a good stretch, and then pulling it right back down towards you. That's how you perform the lat pull down. Some mistakes that I see people make, they'll move their back and forth as they pull it up and as they go down. That is not something you want to do. You want to keep your back stationary and in the same place the entire time. You also want to resist against gravity as you let the bar go to the sky. You want to go really slowly. The slower you go, the more you're going to be really isolating those back muscles. You can pull it really fast towards you if you want to and explode on that part, but just make sure that you're going really slow as you raise it to the top. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more information, you can email us at fitness@shsu.edu, or you can go onto our website.